SBD GlobalSeptember 25, 2017. Leagues and governing bodies want more great stories like this. Click on one of these buttons. Already a subscriber. See if you like it. Get it all. Premium access. Formula One is working on a microphone that can be attached to a car's exhaust system to make the sport louder and more visceral for TV viewers, according to Alan Baldwin of Reuters. Engine noise has been a talking point since the quieter, more fuel-efficient 1.6-liter V6 turbo hybrid power units were introduced in 14 in place of the raspier and less sophisticated V8 engines. F1 Managing Director, Commercial Operations Sean Bratches said that more needed to be done for the worldwide audience. He added, "One of the things that we want to amplify going forward are the sounds of the sport, because they are viscerally moving to fans and critically important in all the research that we do." Bratches said that Australian producer David Hill, a man with a stellar reputation in sports TV and broadcast innovation, was involved in that. Bratches has working with a German concern to develop a ceramic microphone that we could actually adhere to the exhaust pipe to get the true amplification of sound for fans. Reuters, 922. Rules tweaks. Baldwin also reported F1 tweaked its sporting regulations so that teams can run current cars at demonstration events organized by owner Liberty Media. The change concerning the use of cars outside of a Grand Prix event and official test sessions allows teams to take part in demonstration events organized by the commercial rights holder. Teams were previously allowed only 2 limited mileage demonstration days, often used by teams celebrating their title success with staff, fans and sponsors using current cars between the last race of the season and end of that year. Reuters, 922. Return to top.